start one. Yep. So I went to my old school to get my certificate. That is the beginning of this vlog. Yep. Bye. So this was, I think, the next day or a day after. So I went to Palms Mall with my friends. That's the two of them. We went to see Thor, Love and Thunder. So yep, we're getting popcorn and all of that and all of that. And well, we thought the movie was gonna be cheaper, but it wasn't. Yep. So we watched it. I guess someone said we're not supposed to be recording, but I don't know. I did it anyway. So yeah, this is like some very tiny part of the movie. Okay, I like this part. Yep. So end of movie. So yeah, we're leaving, and most of the people they actually wait till the end, like the official end of the movie. You know, all these Marvel movies, when the movie finishes, like you still wait for the end of the same scenes. Yeah, they didn't wait for it. Hey. And then I was like, okay, let me take a few shots, but nah, didn't turn well. And I did a little dancing here and there, sweet. Yep. So next day, I had to do a photo shoot for my brand. And makeup, I always love the look it gives me because by the end of that day, I was still telling her that I was not ready to get the makeup off my face because I loved it that much. I wanted to like keep it till the next day so that I can use it for church. But yeah, I had to wash stuff. It was beautiful. Like, girl, it was beautiful. It's like I was literally like I couldn't get my eyes off myself, you know, that kind of thing. Hey guys, so I'm done with my makeup and we're about to start the photo shoot. So yeah, you'll see it as we are going. Where you cannot get your eyes off yourself. Yeah, that was what was happening here. This beauty is a discovery. I could not handle it. So yeah, the photo shoot session started, and me being a model, like I think I am full of talent and I am using all of them very well. See, look at that. This is another set from my fashion collection. This is a two-piece. It's available on my Instagram page. Please check it out. Yep. So this is my male kimono. That's Kenny. Kenny is my model. Got very nice shots. I will put the pictures at the end of the video so that you can like see the turnout of the photo sessions. It was really nice. This is a silk material. I did put the short and the long sleeve. Fantastic. And this is a thick cotton fabric that I made into shirts. It is awesome. Yeah, so this is my legendary two-piece. I love this set very much. Okay, I love this top too. I love it. They are all available on my Instagram page. What are you still waiting for? This two-piece, it is unisex. I have for male, I have for female. Please check it out. Hi guys, so I'm just getting back home now. I'm done with the session. So I think I'm just going to rest now. The next day, I had a business running around. So I was supposed to see a friend. and to show him some piece from my new collection. So I was having lunch with him, and yeah, and I was recording on mic. I do not recommend. So I go to Aroma at for Garage Road. I love this heart thingy at the entrance. It's very nice. I love the look. Fantastic. So I got inside. It was pretty scanty. Guess what? Me, the Lord of all going late, actually got there before my friend did. I would have wiped him cord on the neck. And I love this chandelier. I love this chandelier thingy. It's beautiful. I had to use like 200 years to decide what I wanted to order. I was going back and forth, back and forth.
See, don't even mind the noise of that generator. It's my neighbor. Just ignore it. So yeah, that's basically how the day went. So this is the end of the vlog. Bye.